What's happening, Flava Chasers? We are back. Excuse my trim, dead. Excuse my arms, dead. Been doing DIY, but check the crepes. Crepe Chetley, electric blue TNs. Booyah! So right now, we're outside Tocky in Burton-on-Trent. We're gonna go and review. Come on. Order like Mackies. It's not Mackies. Look at the lengths they've gone to. Order screens, dine in. We're having table service, but look, you can order like Mackies. Look, touch screens, 3 of them. Smashed it. Tocky on the card reader. Tocky there. Branding is mad. Sick. Couldn't have done it better. No.
What do you think of the aesthetic?
Absolutely smashed it. The Japanese vibe, it's like anime. Look at the walls there, the comic book style. These are all lit up. Look at the logo, look at the branding. Mad. Tocky, all lit up. The little lamps with chopsticks in. Mad thing. And I've been in a lot of restaurants, worked in a lot of restaurants. I could see this going like mad, worldwide, like franchise, like UK all over, then Europe, USA. Like Tocky, mad name. Don't know what it means, but I imagine it means food or tasting in Japanese.
It means rabbit.
No way. No. Not my girls. We're not eating rabbit, are we?
No.
Rabbit? Why rabbit? So it's Korean, not Japanese.
Korean, yeah. What
My bad. I said Japanese.
I think it's Korean, Japanese fusion.
I got the Japanese vibe from the samurai sword splashes on the thing. Like banging drink.
Ice.
I don't know what that is. Lemon ice drink. Lemon and lime. Kind of like a Sprite, but better. Not as sugary and sweet. Complimentary as well. I'm very excited. Bless her. She's working hard. You working hard or hardly working? Where's the food? Look, they do all that matcha tea, the bubble tea. Yeah, I'll have one. Just the beads might freak me out a bit. Like drinking rice pudding.
The best one is, you know when you forget there's a bubble tea and you nearly choke yourself to death on it?
I've never had one, so no.
You never had a bubble tea? No way.
I don't like the look of them.
No, that's amazing. You know what, the fact that you haven't had a bubble tea is amazing.
Okay.
Because you're going to try
What
it.
flavour would you recommend?
They've got loads of flavours.
Pistachio?
I took a look. Pistachio is good.
I'm gassed for this food, man. I can't wait. Table's clean. Got me lemon ice drink. Lemon ice drink. That's literally what it's called. Oh, it's lemon and lime flavour. Why is it just called lemon ice drink then? It's got limes in it. Never mind, it's not their fault. I love how the chopsticks are sticking out the lamps. Look, I think that's sick. I wonder if they bought the red lamps and then put chopsticks in them. Or they bought them like that. I think, yeah, that's sick, that is. He's plating up. Oh, excuse my trim. First video back and I look like this. I'm a dad now, can't help it. This is life, people, life. This is how it gets you. Oh, he's plating up, he's on the pass. He's commentating like football. And he's put the spring onions on the plate. And he's going, where's the defence? Nearly ready, I think. Yeah, he's there, look, chef's there. Chef's there.
For a while.
He's goal angling. Yeah, I'm starving. But it'll be worth the wait, I'm sure. Judging by the aesthetic and that. Oh, here we go, come on. Oh my days. Ooh, what do we have here, young lady?
So that's chocolate with beef, buttercorn and buttershell flavour.
Oh, is that milk bread?
It's Japanese milk.
Bro, look at that. Oh my days.
Go on then.
Look at that.
Go on then. Taste it.
Okay, here we go. Flava Chasers, first video, first taste. Bro. I ain't even gassing. Oh man, I'm going in again. Hold on, I'll review it in a sec. Bro. Wow.
Nice, yeah?
Not just nice. Sorry, let me wipe my face. The beef, tender, pulled, sweetness, crunch of crispy onions, look. Then you got spring onion, bit of sweetness, bit of kick. I don't know what that sauce is, I can't remember what she said. Hopefully it's in the video, but Japanese milk bread, soft, fluffy, like look at that bread. Oh my God. It's been put on the grill, look, strapped up. Oh. You need to try it. Oh wow.
Out of 10, out of 10.
Strong 9.5. Can't fault it, apart from the fact I like spicy. So like, if it had a bit more chili kick to it, I'd probably enjoy it a bit more. But I've never tried Korean food or Japanese food, so. I told you I'd be slurping, innit? Very sweet, but succulent and moreish, man. 9.5 on that sandwich.
Nice.
Right, next dish, let's go in. I can't remember what she said. Gochujang, I know what that is. Gochujang sauce, crispy chicken, noodles.
I can't use chopsticks.
Can you not?
Nah.
Waste, man. Uncultured waste, man. Okay, spice on there is definitely sriracha sauce, which I love. See how cultured I am? I can use chopsticks. Oh yeah. Oh, straight hit of sesame, spicy sriracha, a sweet, sweet coating. Straight down the hatch. I'm dropping it everywhere. Straight down the hatch. Like a main thing for me as well. Yeah, I'm talking a mouthful, sorry. Sorry, flavour tasters. Forgot my manners. So damn good. There's a nice sauce coating the noodles. Really spicy, like it's burning my lips a bit, but in a good way. It's the real hot. Crispy onions again for garnish. Love them. Homemade as well, I can tell. Not the bought-in kind. Soy, sesame, black sesame, white sesame, onion seeds, spring onion as garnish, gochujang sauce. I can see why people like these noodles. More of a saucy noodle man myself, but blood fire. Can't stop me having something. Beautiful. Anna, you impressed I can use chopsticks? Oh, banging, banging. Out of 10, that dish, I can't stop eating it. And I don't even think it's MSG. I think it's the mix of like sweet, salty, spicy and sour. Blowing my taste buds off. Out of 10, 8. Only thing I'd change, I'd make the noodles a bit saucier, but apart from that, banging, absolutely banging. Not greasy. Oh, I forgot how to use chopsticks, it's that good.
Amateur.
Can't stop eating it. It's blowing my head off. I can't use them anymore, what's going on? There we go. There's the noodle boy. That was banging. Gochujang crispy chicken noodle bowl. Banging. It's filled me with like heat, but perfectly balanced heat. Like it's not like burning my stomach, it's not burning my mouth. There's a kick to it that's like sweet. It's not like, you know, if you just ate black pepper or chili flakes, it's not like that, man. It's like unstoppably edible. Do you know what I mean? It's left me with a nice heat in my stomach, like makes me want to eat more. It's boosted my metabolism almost. Mad. Big up for that one. That's my favourite yet so far. But that sandwich as well, oh, I don't know. Gonna be hard to call my favourite later. Yeah, your sister always says I look like a footballer, but you've never seen me kick a ball. I'm terrible. Absolutely
I have
dreadful.
seen you kick a ball.
Oh yeah.
I can confirm.
I'm bad.
You're terrible.
Mr. Hypergy, Flava Party. Cameraman can't use chopsticks. Even my 3-year-old can use chopsticks.
I just don't think they're practical, to be honest.
They've been used for thousands of years.
You're telling me it's more practical
before
than
the
a fork?
knife and fork was even
Yeah, I know.
invented.
Is it more practical than a fork?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Well, you're just a Neanderthal because you just want to stab with a fork. But this versus this.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
100%.
I feel like chopsticks build up the flavours because you have to work to get it. See, I've anticipated the taste of this food now because it's taken me 10 minutes to get to it. See you later, boys. Take care, yeah? Yeah, peace out, bro. So I've never had a bubble tea. Is it bubble or bubble? Bubble.
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea. Never had it. Don't drink milk, but she's making it with oat milk. I'm not intolerant to lactose, but I just don't like, milk freaks me out, man, drinking it and that. But she's making it with oat milk. I've never had one. I've seen them. It's got these little balls in and that. She's making it now. I'm gassed to try it, and I don't want to disrespect if I don't like it, but if I don't like it, I ain't drinking it. You know the score, Flava Chasers. I'll never forget. Wash your hands, you dirty pig. Thanks, love. Crept him, then I left him. It's my first time trying bubble tea. Look at this. It's like a cocktail, isn't it? Oat milk. What was it? Oat milk, strawberry, matcha.
Give it a little swirl, give it a little stir.
With the trap beat.
Tea.
I've never had a drink you have to chew. But hold on. Oh, that's banging, you know. Creamy, sweet, kind of like guava. Yeah, it's guava, innit? I knew it. See my palate, unmatched.
You're a fan, yeah? You're a fan.
I really like it, yeah. It's sick. You know, like the taste of like a McFlurry or something? Like ice cream. The straw's a bit hench. Look at the branding though.
That's so
Smashed
the
it.
bubbles can get up easily, you know what I mean?
Oh, of course, yeah. This is a lot of bits. Oh, it's the song, bro.
Well, what did it say?
Smoothie, smoothie, smoothie. Literally, I'm beating when I was drinking it. It's like a damn real smooth, you know? Oh, it's banging though. Just not used to like eating a drink. It's weird. So where's the bubbles?
I think you've got guava instead of bubbles.
Clearly. Oh, it's good. Oh, I'm full. I'm gonna take that home. Daughter can have that. Missus can have that. Actually, I'm gonna have that in the morning. Selfish.
What are you rating out of 10?
Strong 9, bro. Saying I've never tried one before. That's a strong 9.
See the bubbles in that? It's like actually,
Yeah.
Well, obviously you don't drink milk, so I'd let you try this. But that's
Yeah, I see what you mean. I've seen them in shops and that, but yeah, man. Oh, lovely. Just lovely. So I'll proper get first in. I'm like, if you drink it, then you have to chew it, but it's damn good. Chicken. Get 'em chicken. Oh God, yeah. Time for pudding. Look at that.
It's like a cone. Waffle cone.
Oh, there's ice cream in there. Oreos, I
Let's get a
think.
better look at it. Let's get a better look at it.
Have a good look at that. Oreo crumbs, white chocolate.
Try it.
Oh, it's so warm and soft. The waffles are alright as well. Oh, that's good. No way. I'm gonna sleep good tonight, let me tell you. Call it the waffle skank. Oh man, diabetes. You need to try it.
Yeah.
Good, innit? I'm full. What I'll do, take it home for Dolly. She can have that for her lunch tomorrow. Don't tell her, Mom. Shabba. I'm that full. I'm gonna have to take it home and enjoy it tomorrow. Lunch sorted. Wagwan Flava Chasers, I've got to say, that was banging. I got my takeaway, got my bubble tea going. That place, Taki, come and look, through the window. 10-10. Honestly, the whole establishment, from the food, the drink I've never tasted before, that was absolutely banging. I'm still drinking it, I can't stop drinking it. The branding, the hygiene, even the toilets were like spotlessly brand new, clean, and I'm fussy about that kind of thing, you know. Everything about it was just banging. Toki's, Burton on Trent, 10-10. I can't fault it one bit. I'm taking this, my daughter's lunch. This is my nighttime drink now. Hopefully it's not got caffeine, so I'll be awake all night. Hey, yabba dabba. If you're from Burton and you're coming down High Street or surrounding areas, Swad, Derby, even as far as Nottingham, come down to this place, honestly. As a chef, as you know, all them videos showing you how to cook banging food, you know my food is 10-10. This place ain't tasted anything as flavorful for a long time. 10-10, what more can I say? Flava Chasers. Botaki, B-O-T